Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Media. Today marks the third week since I started with my YouTube channel and everything is working out nice, guys. Everything has been good. I enjoyed the process and I'm so grateful for the fact that you guys are watching my content every time when I drop. Guys, don't forget the motive of this channel, guys, which is transparency and honesty. Every video that I make or every review that I make on this channel, guys, it will always be transparent. I won't make up things. I won't make up reviews, guys, to make you buy things that are really not worthy of your money, guys. So guys, in today's video I'm just gonna show you the equipment that I use to make my videos with, guys, and I believe at the end of this video you will learn something. You will have like some ideas, not only ideas, but you will know the very important equipments to use or to have if you want to start your own YouTube channel or you want to be a content creator of any kind, guys. This is the only important equipment that you need to start. If you don't have money like me, you need to have this equipment. You must have this. You must sacrifice the little money that you have to buy this, and then after that you can kickstart your journey. So guys, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, that I'm gonna show you the equipments that I use to make my YouTube videos, and also if you want to be a content creator, what you need to have first in order to kickstart your journey. So the first thing that you need, of course, you will need a camera. And the second thing, you're gonna need light, like for lighting, and also like a tripod stand, your laptop, but you can even use your phone to edit the videos. But it's more advisable to have a laptop that you can work on. Also, you have to have like external storage, because your normal storage, like your phone storage, is gonna get full, or even the laptop storage is gonna get full. So it's better to have like external storage. So the first thing that I have here is my phone. I'm using my iPhone 11 to take my videos, guys. It's the one that is shooting this video at the moment. That's why I'm showing you the box. So guys, the second thing that you need when you want to make YouTube videos or any video as a content creator, basically, so you need this. And someone is asking, what is this? This is the lighting, guys. I'm using this, the light, photography light. You need to have one of these. Even if you can buy 2 or 3 or 4, it's gonna help you, guys. But for me, I'm using one at the moment because of the budget thing. So I can't afford to buy many lights at the moment. But as time progresses or as time goes, I'm willing to buy more and more and different lights. Also, if you can manage to buy also like the RGB lights, where you can also like implement that thing like in your background. You can have maybe like different colors to make your background look so nice, so amazing, so beautiful, guys. You need to be strategic when you're doing this. So the purpose of lighting, guys, is to help you to stand out in the marketplace. You know, we have like a lot of people who are doing this stuff, but once the people see that your video quality is on another level, then they will stay more engaged in your content. They will stay more active in your content. That's why like it's more advisable to use lighting for your videos or for your pictures, because as you can see, the people who are taking videos without lighting, their videos are very poor. I just want to show you a practical example now. I will switch off this light that I'm using at the moment, then you will see the difference and tell me if you will still gonna be engaged in this video if I don't have a light. So you see now, this is the practical example. If I don't have light, this is the natural light of my room, you see. But the lighting, guys, is gonna make your videos to be on another level. You have to have this. So guys, let's talk about the third gadget that you need as a content creator. So for me, I would say the third gadget is this. You must have external storage, guys. External storage is a very good thing to have, because it helps you with like storing your videos, your pictures. If you are a photographer, you need something to store your pictures. You can't store everything in your phone, guys, especially me that I'm using my phone to shoot my videos. Even if you are using your camera, guys, you still need to have like a storage, because your laptop or your phone is gonna get full, it's gonna get flooded, and then it's gonna frustrate you now when you are struggling to shoot because of this shortage of the storage. So it's better to have like external storage, guys. And if you want to know about this SSD drive that I'm using, you can watch my previous video about it. I was explaining more about this. So guys, let's go to the fourth gadget, and I believe you all know this gadget, guys, especially if you are a videographer. I mean, filmmaker or a photographer. I'm sure you all know this. And then guess what? This is the gadget I'm talking about. So I'm using this tripod stand, guys. I just got it like a couple of months ago, and it's a very good equipment. I had a very good experience with this, and I really recommend this to anyone who's looking for a tripod stand. So this is the brand. If you want to know more about the brand, you can search more about this, and then I will do a video where I'll be reviewing this so that you can also learn something out of this. So this helps me to do my headshot like I'm doing now. I just place my phone on the tripod stand, and I just sit like this and then do my thing. So guys, let's talk about the last gadget that you need as a content creator, and there's a microphone. I don't want to waste time on that. You must have a microphone, guys, to make sure your audio quality is top notch. As you can hear my voice now, it's very clear, guys. You don't have to struggle to understand what I'm talking about. So you must have a good quality audio. As you can see here, it even says professional audio solution. So you must have this one, guys. You don't have to buy this, but then you can buy another one of the other brands. There are a lot of brands, but before you buy anything, guys, you must make sure that you do your research. About that particular product. You must go to YouTube. You must and do watch some videos about it, so that you can make informed decision. You don't have to waste your money on things that are not really worth it. So, but at the back there you can see my other microphone, guys. That one I'm using it for voiceovers when I'm doing the top-down shot, when I'm doing some product reviews. So guys, those are the 5 essential equipment that you need to have as a content creator, or if you want to be a YouTuber to kickstart your journey, guys. You don't have to wait until you get more money to buy those expensive stuff. You can kickstart with what you have and just add it there, and then it will grow. As you grow, you'll be adding more and more equipments, guys. So this marks the end of this video, guys. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share the video with your fellow friends so that we can help grow this creative community together, guys.